Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Brainy Broadcast, and today we have an exciting topic for you: pronunciation. Whether you're learning a new language or simply want to enhance your communication skills, mastering pronunciation is key. In this video, we'll explore 10 tips and tricks to help you achieve clear and confident speech. So, let's dive right in. Tip 1: Listen and imitate. The first tip is all about listening and imitating. Pay close attention to native speakers or proficient speakers in the language you're trying to master. Try to mimic their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. This will help your brain get accustomed to the natural flow of the language. Tip 2: Use language learning apps. Utilize language learning apps that provide pronunciation exercises. Many apps use speech recognition technology to give you instant feedback on your pronunciation. This interactive approach can be a game changer in improving your spoken language skills. Tip 3: Practice with tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are a fun and effective way to work on your articulation. Repeat challenging tongue twisters slowly at first, and gradually increase your speed. This will not only enhance your pronunciation but also strengthen your mouth muscles. Tip 4: Record yourself. Recording yourself while speaking in the target language can be an eye-opener. It allows you to identify areas for improvement and track your progress over time. Plus, it's a great way to build confidence in your spoken abilities. Tip 5: Focus on sounds. Each language has unique sounds that may not exist in your native language. Identify these sounds and practice them individually. Use online resources, such as pronunciation guides and videos, to help you understand and replicate these sounds accurately. Tip 6: Join language exchange programs. Engage in language exchange programs to practice with native speakers. This real-world interaction provides valuable feedback and exposes you to different accents and pronunciations. It's a fantastic way to apply what you've learned in a practical setting. Tip 7: Enunciate clearly. Host. Clear enunciation is crucial for effective communication. Take your time to articulate each word clearly. Avoid rushing through sentences and focus on precision. This not only improves your pronunciation but also makes you a more confident speaker. Tip 8: Sing along to songs. Host. Music is a fantastic tool for pronunciation practice. Pick songs in the language you're learning and sing along. This helps you internalize the rhythm and melody of the language, making pronunciation more natural and enjoyable. Tip 9: Watch movies and TV shows. Host. Watching movies and TV shows in the target language exposes you to authentic conversations and diverse accents. Pay attention to how characters pronounce words in different contexts. It's an entertaining way to learn while immersing yourself in the language. Tip 10: Seek professional guidance. Host. If you're serious about improving your pronunciation, consider seeking guidance from a language tutor or a speech coach. They can provide personalized feedback, correct your mistakes, and offer targeted exercises to address specific pronunciation challenges. Welcome to Cashflow Academia, where education meets financial empowerment. Are you ready to unlock the doors to a brighter future? Explore a world of knowledge with Cashflow Academia. From foundational principles to advanced strategies, our courses cover a diverse range of topics, ensuring that learners of all levels can find the right path to financial literacy. Join our vibrant community of learners. At Cashflow Academia, education extends beyond the courses. Visit our website at www.cashflowacademia.com or click the link below to explore our courses and start your educational journey towards financial freedom. And there you have it, 10 tips and tricks to help you master pronunciation. Remember, practice is key, so be patient with yourself and stay committed to your language learning journey. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, happy speaking!